Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the aside tag. Let's begin. The aside tag defines that some content aside from the content it was placed in. For an example, we can use our what we call this one. uh, First, what we're gonna do is just a paragraph. What we're gonna do, just type something, anything. After that, what you need to do is, instead of article, just put what we call aside. So aside, and here aside close. And for those who don't know what I did, just use aside tag and H1, give Google Chrome, and just write a paragraph, which you can get it by typing lorem. If you are using Atom. So when you do that, you will understand that this content is different from this content. This is the way to separate the contents by using the aside tag, and this is the perfectly fine coding method. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.